Now I'm going to show you how to input formulas 5 through to 8, and that is the units of production depreciation expense for year 1 through to year 4. For units of production depreciation expense, we have to find depreciation expense per unit. Depreciation expense per unit, it's found by using cost of asset minus the salvage value and divided the estimated life in units. So we'll go ahead and input that in formula 5 equals, open parentheses, reference the cell all the time, which is D7, minus the salvage value, 30,000, which is in D8, close parentheses, divided by D10. And we want to take this whole depreciation expense per unit and multiply that by the estimated units spent in year 1, which is in C14, and that's 30,000 units. And that should give us the correct units of production depreciation expense for year 1. And now we want to go ahead and do it for year 2 through to year 4. So again, just like the straight line method, we would want to copy this down and to save some inputting steps. But before we do that, we need to lock up the cells that we want to keep constant. And that is D7, D8, and D10, which will return the depreciation expense per unit, which is constant. So we'll go ahead and lock those cells up by inputting the $sign before every cell address, before the 8, and before this last cell. And then go to D29 and copy it down and go ahead and check your total to see if it's the correct amount. And you're done.